Monday mornings at the kennel,
Hi,
Guido likes to chat.
He will say, "Here, kitty, kitty, I can talk, can you fly?"
Sometimes he speaks parrot, and sometimes he talks cat.
He likes to do when there's dogs in here.
He'll meow, and it really freaks the dog out.
Like, where's the cat? Where's the cat?
He just adopts the local lingo.
Picks up a lot of stuff just from being in here.
The parrot's got a knack.
He really likes ladies.
Sometimes Guido's talking scratches,
He likes to get scratches.
Oh
and sometimes singing with the pack.
He barks sometimes.
boy! Woo, 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 woo.
The thing is, Guido's not really an animal lover.
He likes people, I think, more than animals.
Here, cats get nipped and chased.
If he gets a chance, he goes after
The
cats.
bird likes to go after cats, yeah.
Maybe Guido calls the kitties,
We had one cat that wasn't watching what he was doing and about lost her tail.
because he just likes the way they taste.
Bye. Bye.
I'm Peter Rosen with a fresh look on life.